All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Random Aaron's garage door window repair. So I accidentally smashed this window with that extension cord when it reeled back super fast and the garage door was up, and it shattered one side. So we're replacing it, and the replacement is a little bit thicker because it was put in here 19 years ago. So they have a different one. So here it is, and the way this is going to work is I'm going to push this piece out, and then I've got a friend on the outside who's going to hold it. Then I'll marry this up to it, and then I'll put the 10 screws in. But because of the thickness, I can't tighten the screws down all the way, or I will crack this glass. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so we're going to fit this through, and then it has to be held in because this glass will tip out. It also can't just rest on the bottom. It has to be lifted up a tiny bit. So I'm going to get the black. All right, you can go ahead and press it against. Now the screw holes line up fairly easy. Once you get one, they all fall in place. But because this glass is thicker, it is harder to, you can't cinch it down as much as you would like. And so if you're using a drill, which I don't recommend, but I'm going to start this, you set it on a low torque setting. Because once it starts to go in, you feel that on your side? Roger. All right, let me get one more screw. All right, there's the hole. All right, once I get these started, I'm going to switch to hand so I can feel the tightness so I don't over tighten, but I need to get them because I don't want to crack my new glass, which is thicker than the rest of the panes, and you can tell it is way cleaner. All right, I'm gonna pause there and get a screwdriver. All right, guys, so what we did is we got it tightened in with all of them hand tight, and then we did a little bit of a push test to see which side kind of moved and gave left and right. And it feels secure, and it looks and matches with the ones adjacent to it. It may be like a millimeter off in terms of height, but this one also you can pull away a little bit, so I'm not too concerned about that. But it does have some caulking on the inside to form a good seal. If you're ever concerned, you could put some seal on the bottom. Just don't add too much all the way around. It'd be really hard to get off. Let me show you the outside real quick. All right, so on this side, I know it looks like there's a gap here, but I think it's because it's just cleaned and handled more. So I really got to wash my garage door apparently. But anyway, but I can't move it up and down. I can't do anything to this either. So we've got it secure enough where it's not moving in the door. So what we're gonna do is raise the door and then lower it and check our work. All right, so we got it lifted. One thing I do notice here is a little bit of a gap, but I am tightening down these screws and I don't wanna go any further because I'm gonna have to replace it. But I think it's sealed tight in here because compared to some of the other ones, you can see there is a small gap right there. But this one is just a little bit more pronounced, but I think it's doable. All right, test complete. We're gonna remove the sticky pads now. We watched it come down. If it is too tight and a little bit of vibrations, it could shatter, so I'm okay with the tightness that we had it. Also compared to the tightness of the screws next to it, it matches that with my ability to measure it with hand strength. So hopefully that was helpful. If you guys need to replace a video, this literally just comes out. I know I didn't start with that because we started with putting it in, but have a partner on the other side to catch the pane of glass because it not only tilts out, but the glass pane within the plastic frame can fall backwards. So even if they grab it and lift up and go out, they still need to kind of tip it like this so the glass falls into the plastic. Hope that was helpful. If so, hit like and subscribe below, and we'll see you guys next time.